Now in this part of the question, what we've got to do is to sketch the graph then of y equals x minus 2 all cubed minus 6 times all of x minus 2 squared plus 9 times all of x minus 2. And we're to use the previous part to help us. In the previous part, remember, we sketched the graph here of y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x. So how's it going to help us? Well, what I'd like to think that you can see is that wherever there's an x in the original equation, we've replaced it with x minus 2. If we're using function notation, we could say that f of x was equal to this, and what we have here is replacing any x with x minus 2. And you should be familiar with what this does to any graph. What it does is it translates it 2 units parallel to the x-axis to the right. It's as if we could grab hold of this graph here, the graph of f of x equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x, and literally move it, slide it across something like this, 2 units, say, to the right. So if I slide it 2 units to the right, that's going to make this value here now go to 5. So we'll take out that 3, and we had to say the coordinates at which the curve meets the x-axis, so we can see it is now at x equals 5. And this would be what our new graph would be of f of x minus 2. Let's say y equals that particular function. So there you go. There's the graph then of f of x minus 2, or y equals this graph. Right, and that brings us now to the end of this part of the question.